I love riding my bike. I get to feel what's happening underneath me. I love the feeling of just going fast. When it came to bikes in particular, there was just some connection even as a young child. I remember when I would reach for the bike and go ride it around the neighborhood, and the independence that came from just riding my bike anywhere. It just completed me. Even now at 47 years old, that's my outlet in life. It's just a part of my soul. And I actually tried to push it away when I retired in 2001 because I had spent so many years as a bike racer. I hardly rode for 8 years, and the person I had become during those 8 years was someone I didn't really recognize. And the second I invited the bike back into my life, it allowed me to become me again. I found myself when I found mountain biking. So I am a full-time mom and I have my own business, and I'm constantly juggling what I can get done in one day. Without the WD-40 product line, I wouldn't be able to have the ease of a clean bike, a maintained drivetrain. It's just a simple product to use and gets me on the trail as often as I possibly can. I've had a lot of opportunity to have successes in life and some failures in life. And I've found that, focus on what brings you happiness. And I think when I came up with that moment in my life where I said, I don't need that much money to be happy, but I need my bicycle to be happy. And I feel like living life hands-on gives you the opportunity to be in control of what you want and where you want to be going. My name is Leigh Donovan, and I live life hands-on.